Hey, why are you taking out the SIM card?
I have had enough of this. Now I have planned to get a new number of some other service provider.
Don't you know the importance of your mobile number? It is our new identity. Aadhaar, bank, online payment, electricity, gas connection. OTP for all these is delivered on your mobile number. So you don't need to change your mobile number. What you need is MNP.
MNP? What is that?
Mobile number portability or MNP is a service that allows you to retain your mobile number while changing your service provider anywhere in India. One more thing, there are 22 licensed service areas or LSAs across the country. So if you want to retain your mobile number, you should take the help of MNP. This process has been made even more simpler. Now you get to know at the stage of unique porting code or UPC generation itself whether your number is eligible for MNP or not. Now let's have a look at the eligibility criteria. Outstanding dues payments are clear against the current operator as per the normal bill cycle. In case of postpaid subscribers, 90 days have been completed since the activation of a new connection or last porting with the current operator. Request for porting is not already in process. No pending contractual obligation to be fulfilled by the subscriber as per the exit clause provided in the subscriber agreement. The porting of the mobile number is not prohibited by a court of law. The mobile number sought to be ported is not sub judice.
Okay, but what is the process of generating UPC?
The process of generating UPC is very easy. SMS port space mobile number to 1900. The UPC will be sent through an SMS to the subscriber's mobile number. The validity of the UPC is 4 days for all the LSAs except Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Northeast LSA where it is 30 days. Subscriber can visit the chosen service provider or the nearest retailer to fill up the CAF or customer acquisition form and the porting request form. Provide the valid UPC received in the SMS and KYC documents and get new SIM card. The subscriber will get a confirmation SMS for receipt of the porting request. If the subscriber wants, the porting request can be cancelled within 24 hours. Just SMS cancel space mobile number to 1900. With this, both MNP request and UPC will get cancelled.
The form has been submitted. Now, how long will it take?
Within the same LSA, 3 days. Porting from one LSA to another LSA, 5 days. Corporate number porting will take 5 days. For LSAs in Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Northeast, porting might take up to 15 days. The subscriber will get an SMS detailing the date and time of porting. Porting will take place at night. After this, insert the new SIM card in your phone. Your phone service will start from the network of the new service provider. In this entire process, the services of your mobile number might be suspended for up to 4 hours. Follow these guidelines to prevent the rejection of corporate porting request. Along with the customer acquisition form, submit an authorization letter in the prescribed format on the company letterhead with the authorized signature. Porting request can be made for 100 corporate mobile numbers in one authorization letter. Postpaid subscribers, please note, even after your mobile number has been ported, if there is any outstanding bill or amount of your donor operator, it needs to be paid on time. So what are you waiting for? SMS on 1900 and port your mobile number. For further details, log on to TRAI website www.trai.gov.in.
Mobile number portability?
Now made easy.
Issued in public interest by Telecom Regulatory Authority of India.